CANopen is one of the most widely used communication protocols in industrial automation. It's been running machine control systems, medical equipment, and energy storage applications for over 30 years. In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn what CANopen is, how devices stay organized on a shared network, and why it's becoming the go-to protocol for engineers building precise, reliable industrial control systems. Firstly, CAN bus on its own is a great way to move data between devices over a single shared cable, but it doesn't define what the data means or how devices from different manufacturers should communicate with each other. So CAN bus solves that by adding a standardized application layer on top of CAN bus, so every device on the network speaks the same language regardless of who built it. Now, the way that CAN bus establishes that common language is through something called an object dictionary. Every CANopen device has one, and it's essentially a table that describes everything about that device, its inputs, its outputs, its configuration settings, and its current status. Because every device follows the same structure, when the client needs to read a value or send a command, it always accesses that object dictionary the same way every single time, which means two devices from completely different manufacturers will always work together without any custom integration work. Now, once you understand how devices are organized through the object dictionary, the next thing to understand is how data actually moves across the network. CANopen handles this in two separate ways depending on what kind of data it is. Real-time data like sensor readings and output commands move continuously at high speed, so the network always has an up-to-date picture of what every device is doing. But configuration and setup data moves separately on demand, so when you need to change a parameter or read detailed device information, that happens without interrupting the live process data already running on the network. This is why it's important to have a certified client module like the ICP-USA CAN 2054C, which gives you 8 channels of isolated digital input and 8 channels of isolated digital output over CANopen. Because it's fully CIA certified, it works with any standard CANopen server right out of the box with no custom configuration needed. If you'd like to learn more about the full ICP-USA CANopen I/O module lineup, we have an entire video on screen now going over all of them. There's also a link to the CAN 2054C in the description below if you'd like to take a closer look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next 2-minute explainer. If you have any questions about anything that was covered today, please let me know in the comments below. You can also reach out to our team at sales@icp-usa.com or head over to our website at icp-usa.com.